start to pump our arms harder forward. If everybody leans like this, eventually they're going to fall. Does that make sense? So one thing you can do is you can lean as far forward as you can possibly do. In other words, run out of control. Be out of control, make your feet go faster, make your arms go faster. Okay, and get down and dig, and that's what you can do. The other thing you can do is cut the distances short. So you take your little circles, use the bases as push points. You know what I mean by push points?
Yeah.
Use those bases as push points and try to cut the distance out that you're going. So let's see if everybody can improve on their time.
Yes. Wait, I don't want to go last. We're not going first this time. Oh my God. Bye, guys.
Hey, I want you guys to look at the camera and say your name before you run. Caroline, leave some room. Run hard, run hard, run hard. Run, pump those hard. Pump them. Good.
13 point, what does that say? It says 13.66.
Kruger gets to be the glasses for Dad. Caroline, you can do it.
Say your name before you go. Caroline, you can do it. Put a little pouch too. Oh yes.
Come on, you guys cheer for us.
Come on,
Go.
Caroline.
15-2-1.
Nice job.
This is Maya.
Come on, lean forward and
This
pump your
video is
arms.
going to be such a hoot. This is hilarious.
Alright, Mom, listen up, guys. She just did a 13.69. Now listen, and she probably ran an extra 20 feet. Okay? Get inside those cones. Here we go.
Will you go ahead and have girls stand up over there? So their legs don't get tired. Thank you.
15-2-8.
Nice job, Lindsay. Summer, go for it.
Lisa, stand up. Lisa, stand up.
15.16, but you missed the base.
Gotta hit all the bases, girls.
I'm Jordan.
Ooh.
Jordan.
Come on, Jordan, make your feet move. Turn it over.
Got great.
Come on, Jordan. Go faster than
Look at that smile. She's having fun.
17.32.
Who's 17.32?
That's how fast I used to run. This is Charlie.
No, I bet Jackie's good.
Jackie's hurt right now.
Chris is gonna make me run.
Oh, she's probably very nice.
Nice job.
16-2-8.
This is Sophia.
I missed first base one time and my coach was
Hit those corners, Mom. Gotta hit the corners.
Just relax. 14-7-5.
This is Molly.
Pump up.
14-5-6.
Nice job. Nice
Hey,
job,
lots of cheering, please, ladies. Guys are all on YouTube. Go, Chrissy.
Come on, Chrissy!
Here's our little speed demon, Chrissy.
Look at that. That's
Excellent. Nice job, Chrissy.
awesome. Hey, be your last one.
Okay, good. Good.
Fast one's coming. Watch out. Fast one.
Haynes is nipping at your heels. Put it in your mind.
Nipping at your heels. Fast feet. Hit the corner.
16 exactly.
This is Ainsley.
Nice.
Oh, she's
Dog's coming
fast.
after you. Dog's coming after you.
She's trying to work inside the cones.
Hit.
Push it, push it, push it, push it!
12-4-7.
Nice.
Woo! Olympic speed!
9-7, sorry.
12-9-7.
Ladies, a lot of cheering, please. A lot of cheering. Run, Sailor.
Cheesy dog.
13-7-8.
Nice. Nice.
Go ahead.